Sign and symbol. A sign is a physical marker which carries some information. So, what is a sign? A sign is a physical marker. It could be any sign, any physical mark, and it carries some information. It does not carry more information or complete information. Next, the information it gives is direct, brief, and precise, meaning only this, no other. It means that a sign it carries some information, and the information it gives is direct, it is very brief, and precise means exact, meaning only this, no other meaning, no other hidden concept at all. Easy to understand. Anyone can get it. This is a post symbol which means more than mere indication. Opposite to sign is symbol. Symbol carries layers of meaning. It has a hidden meaning, secondary and tertiary meaning. But sign only carries primary meaning. What it means, that means only, no other. Okay, let's move to the next. It contains more information. It here refers to symbol. It contains more information and stands in place of something as a means of pointing towards it indirectly. So, symbol contains more information and symbol stands in place of something. That is, it refers to something. It points towards something indirectly, not directly. For example, the gesture of waving one's hand is a sign, but can be interpreted variously as symbolic of farewell, dismissal, etc. Look here, the gesture of waving one's hand. Now you are waving your hand from far off, and someone noticing you that you are gesturing or waving your hands. So, waving a hand is a sign, but the person who is looking at you, that you are waving the hand, he is not just getting it, whether you are saying him to go back or saying him to come, or is it dismissal or what. So the gesture of waving one's hand is a sign. One gesture can be a sign and one gesture can be a farewell or dismissal. How do you gesture? When you wave your hand like this, you say goodbye, bye, goodbye. So normally we say goodbye when you are going to the station, seeing someone off. So that moment it means it is farewell, goodbye. But in another context, the same sign of waving hand can also be interpreted as you are dismissing something, you don't agree to it, you can say dismissal. Next, the growth of a whole area of study of the operation of science in culture and society is called semiotics. So semiotics is another branch of a study, and this term means that the whole area of a study of the operation of science in culture and society is called semiotics. Okay, this is the definition of semiotics. And every culture has its own way of operation of science. It is culturally oriented.